Universal truth number 6. Apathea. What is apathea? In modern parlance, it's being in a state of apathetic. And in modern context, that means you just don't care. But historically, apathea means not allowing yourself to get caught up in your passions. Get into the Wayback Machine and ask yourself, how many times did your little head, in a state of passion, lead you in the right direction? For me, the big answer is 0. Never once when I got mad or horny or thought I was in love did any of those decisions that I made in that state of passion turn out to be the correct decision or the wisest decision. No sirree. Getting control of your little head, though, that's the hard part. It took me almost 50 years to tell him, shut the fuck up, buddy. You don't know what you're talking about. Man. But, happy Boxing Day to everybody. Go your own way. Be ungovernable. Have a good life. Be good to each other. And don't get too worked up about stuff. Life is too short, and the stuff you tend to get worked up about in the long run